The central government has identified 11 Indian states where the COVID situation is getting dire. Most of the fresh cases are being reported in Maharashtra, and states like Delhi also catching up, as a result of which now in the national capital, the state government has announced that there will be a night curfew starting 10 p.m. going up till 5 a.m. Mumbai too has a night curfew along with a weekend clampdown that's been announced. Just over the past 24 hours, 74,000 cases, 47,000 of those in Maharashtra. Then there is Chhattisgarh, which so far was relatively unscathed from the virus. Delhi seeing 3,548 cases. The big debate, though, in medical circles is whether these night curfews, weekend lockdowns work. Is the virus inactive during the day and suddenly gets active during the night? It doesn't work like that. So, do these curfews work? We asked some experts.
Curtailing the crowding at night, cities after cities, towns after towns turn to night curfews to curb the new surge of COVID cases.
समस्त दुकानें बंद रहेंगी रात्रि 10 बजे से सुबह 5 बजे तक.
With cases climbing in Delhi, the national capital too has imposed a night curfew starting Tuesday. A ban on non-essential, non-emergency movement from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. till the 30th of April. Nationally, the cases were hovering around the 8,000 mark in the first week of February, and in the first week of April are hovering around the 1 lakh mark. Many states have gone in for night curfews. The Delhi government is also saying that because of violations in hotels and pubs, it's important to impose a night curfew right now to bring down the cases. But the opinion is clearly divided on whether night curfews actually work in breaking the chain of transmission, or are they only a band-aid sort of a solution. Some experts aren't convinced that there's compelling evidence that more people catch the virus at night than crowding in markets and other areas during the daytime. And who knows, the night curfews might well prompt people to dine out in more cramped spaces that are out of police sight, or simply party earlier than 10 p.m.
Maximum transmission occurs during the daytime, in closed settings, in crowds, and when people are interacting with each other. Imposing night curfews and weekend curfews is mostly ineffective. Probably it will give a feeling that people have to be more strict in enforcing these behaviors.
Businesses fear the new measure will hit them harder when they are struggling to recover from the lockdown losses.
नाइट कर्फ्यू से क्या हासिल होगा, क्या कोरोना रुकेगा, ये व्यापारियों के लिए बड़ा सवाल है. नाइट कर्फ्यू होने से बैंक्वेट हॉल, फार्म हाउसेस, रेस्टोरेंट, होटल्स और इस प्रकार के जो व्यवसाय हैं, जो बड़ी मुश्किल से पिछले लॉकडाउन के बाद से आकर के अब थोड़ा संभले थे, एक बार फिर उनके व्यापार को धक्का पहुंचने वाला है.
Some medical experts, however, support this move.
People will be reminded now strongly enough that yes, if they don't follow the COVID appropriate behavior, perhaps the risk of getting oneself infected, getting the family infected, and also hospitalizations would perhaps increase dramatically.
On its part, the Central Health Ministry has already written to the Maharashtra government saying that night curfews and weekend lockdowns have limited impact on suppressing the transmission. The jury is still out on whether the measure will serve the purpose effectively. With Bureau Inputs, Sneha Mordani, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.